Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upload your site on CPanel. First, log into your CPanel account. The File Manager is your primary tool for handling website files. It allows you to navigate directories, create new folders, and manage existing content. We'll focus on placing your website files in the correct public HTML directory to ensure your site is accessible online. This process is straightforward once you know the steps. Before uploading, it's best to prepare your website files. Gather all your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files into one main folder on your local computer. Then compress this entire folder into a single zip file. This makes the upload much faster and more efficient as you're transferring just one file instead of hundreds or thousands. Ensure your main index file, like index.html, is at the root of your compressed folder. Now let's upload your prepared zip file. In CPanel, open the File Manager and navigate to the public HTML directory. This is where your website's main files should reside. Click the Upload button at the top, then select your zip file from your computer. A progress bar will show the upload status. Wait until it indicates 100% complete before closing the upload window. This ensures your entire site package is transferred. Once uploaded, find your zip file in the public HTML directory within File Manager. Right-click on it and select Extract. Confirm the extraction path, usually public HTML, and click Extract Files. After extraction, you can delete the zip file to save space. Finally, open your web browser and type in your domain name. Your website should now be live and fully accessible to visitors. Congratulations on uploading your site.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.